Are you thinking about working in Georgia in 2025? Let me walk you through the complete process of applying for Georgia work visa fast, simple, and up to date. First, let's talk about visa types. Georgia offers five main categories of visas: diplomatic, type A; special, type B; ordinary, type C; immigration, type D; and transit, also type C. For what purpose you will need a long-term immigration visa type D. This visa acts both as work permit and a gateway to your resident permit once you arrive. Now, what do you need to apply? Here's a quick checklist of general requirements. A completed signed visa application form, a valid passport with at least one blank page, an employment contract with a company based in Georgia, proof of visa payment. But remember, requirements can vary slightly depending on the embassy you apply through, so always double check with them directly. So, how do you apply? Start by contacting the nearest Georgian consulate or embassy. You'll get a complete and accurate list of documents and steps from them. The application process begins online through Georgia's e-application portal. Once you have submitted the online form, you'll need to send a hard copy of your application and documents to the embassy, either by mail or in person, depending on their rules. After approval, you're ready to travel to Georgia. Once there, apply for a resident permit from the Public Service Development Agency. This permit is valid for 1 year and can be renewed for up to 5 years. Planning to bring your family, your spouse, and dependents will also need to apply for residence permits separately. One last heads up, you can work in Georgia in a tourist visa anymore. That's used to be possible, but not in 2025. Make sure you apply for the right visa, the long term type D, if you want to work legally. Also, allow for up to 30 calendar days for visa processing. So plan ahead based on your job start date. And that's it, your full 2025 guide to applying for work and visa in Georgia. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tech guide.